Living the life of luxury, huh, Nose? Feel good? Alright, I'll give you some more belly rubs. It's all good. Good morning, everyone. So I woke up feeling a lot better than yesterday. I just let the emotions get the best of me and kind of take over my day. But today I'm feeling a lot better. I got paid today. So I'm not as worried about our bills as I was yesterday. And I have a lot of time before work, so I'm planning on getting some organizing done. I need to edit my vlog, and then I want to go do some Christmas shopping, hopefully, if I have some time. I don't think I'll get it all done today because I'm just using the cash that I've made from working. I'm not going to use the money we have in our account because we need that for bills. So I'll probably have to go again on Sunday or Monday to get the rest of my list. But I'm also going to make some more bath bombs to help out with that. And I think I'm going to try something else, which I'm not going to say in this vlog because some people are going to be getting one on my list. And we'll see if I know how to make it. So I'm excited. And yeah, I hope you guys have fun following along with me. I'll probably catch up on some Vlogmas. Who is your favorite Vlogmas vlogger? I really like Zoella. I think her Vlogmas is probably the best. Her house is like Christmas goals. I've been watching her since she lived with her parents. So like what, like 7, 8 years maybe? So it's cool to just see her grow and progress, and now she has this amazing house with like all these Christmas lights and Christmas trees. And I also love Aspen and Parker, but they haven't really been posting regularly this Vlogmas, I think because they have their new puppy. And I used to like Cambria Joy, but I just kind of stopped watching because her vlogs were kind of sporadic. But I still like her videos. It's just like I can't really keep up. And who else do I watch? Who other vloggers do I enjoy watching? I don't know. As far as Vlogmas goes, I feel like there's not that many people participating this year. Like, I love more than anyone's vlogs Estee Lalonde, but she's not doing Vlogmas this year. But I at least enjoyed Vlogtober, so that's good. But yeah, anyway, let me know who your favorite Vlogmas vlogger is so I can check out their videos. And thank you for following along my day with me. I'm gonna open my calendar in just a second when I finally get up and do something with this hair and wash my face. It looks like it is going to be a very stormy day here in Miami. Look at our wind chime, it is flying around. Alright guys, time for the Game of Thrones calendar. So today's what, day 8? Yes. The 7's the one I destroyed, right? Yeah, okay. Perfect, number 8. Ooh, I like the color of these. What are these? Okay, I feel like oh, House Aaron from The Veil. Okay. I mean, their symbol is pretty cool. Gotta love the colors, so I'm down for that. I can't even remember who House Aaron is, but I'm gonna look it up. The Veil? Isn't that where Daenerys went? Oh, no. I'll look it up and I'll tell you guys. Okay, so House Aaron is Catelyn Stark's sister's house. Where he goes, let's make the little man fly! And he's like 12 years old and he's still drinking breast milk, which is weird to me. But you do you, boo. And how does his mom produce breast milk that long? Is that normal? I feel like she should get that checked out by a doctor because I'm a little concerned for her. What do you think, Nala? Cool. Good morning, girls. The prettiest puppies in all the land. A mighty gargoyle is protecting my bed. What is she staring at? I don't know what she's staring at. What are you staring at? Scratch, scratch. It's so windy today. Oh my gosh. So guys, I am heading off to Target to do some Christmas shopping. I currently have $42 in cash that I'm allowed to spend, and then tonight and tomorrow I'm gonna get some more cash that I can use on Sunday to buy some Christmas presents. So $42, I'm hoping I can check a few people off my list. I definitely need a couple more things to make some more bath bombs because that is my primary way of giving gifts this year. And I'm also gonna make some sugar scrubs for people who do not have baths. So that will kind of help keep my budget a little bit lower. But I also need containers for the sugar scrubs. So I have to find those. But I'm gonna try to get some stocking stuffers for Blake and Nala. And then we'll see how much money I have left after that. No makeup today, but it's good, girl. All natural. Really bad angle, and it's super, super windy. But I did it, guys. I freaking did it. My total was $41.89, and I managed to get everything I needed to make 8 sugar scrubs. And I think I got Blake's stocking checked off. And then I got more cornstarch to make some more bath bombs. And then I even got a couple extra things for people on my list. So definitely not finished. Definitely have been waiting till the last minute this year, but I definitely got a lot accomplished while we were in there. So happy. Also, I was just like walking through Target and I see Valentine's Day stuff. What? Valentine's Day? Christmas is not even over. Just filled Blake's stocking. I think it looks super cute. There's still a little bit of space, so I'm gonna try to get a few more things to put in there. But I am pretty happy with it that I got one thing checked off my Christmas list. Yay! So guys, I am very, very, very excited because I have successfully made some sugar scrubs. And I can't wait to put them on my Etsy shop. So I got those done. So I still have some more to make for Christmas. I ran out of coconut oil, so I have to go get some more tomorrow. But I did get a couple done. I'm currently just wrapping some gifts. Got the bed made. And then I need to clean a little bit more before I head to work. But yeah, I'm really excited. I'm excited that things are finally starting to come together. And I'm getting some Christmas gifts wrapped and done, because I had a lot of stuff on my to-do list and this room is still a mess, but it's all good. I'm gonna turn on some Vlogmas. We're gonna crush this stuff. And I'm gonna time-lapse you guys right now. like I've made some good progress. I didn't really get anything like organized like I wanted to. I wanted to organize the closet and wanted to organize my pajamas, but that's just gonna have to wait. I got a few presents wrapped, so I'm happy with that. And the room's starting to look a little better, so I'll show you real quick. Bed's made. I got the Christmas stuff kind of put away, and then my clothes I got put in the dresser, the laundry basket. Those clothes are for Goodwill. I just have not taken them yet because I'm lazy. And then this is all my bath bomb stuff that I need to keep out because I'm still working on bath bombs. Blake's clothes, which he has to organize. And then over here I started where we have our Christmas presents. So we have one for Blake's brother, and then we have my cousin Emma and my cousin Marina. Marina's getting another one too. I'm not being unfair. It's just that some of the bath bombs that I've made are not, like, they're all like the same, I guess, if that makes sense. So I want to give her a different one besides the same one. So we're working on that still. And yeah, I have 9 minutes left to work, so I'm about to start getting ready. Present for my dad, going under the tree. Ta-da! What's up, guys? I just realized my blush is like super messed up. I hope it hasn't been like that all day. But it's like 2 o'clock in the morning, and Blake got home like an hour ago, and he realized that Nala did something crazy. I'm gonna put that clip in right now.
So I walk in the room at 1:30 in the morning, and after a 15-hour shift, and I see this white stuff all over the ground. I see something there. I can kind of see granulated. Huh, what could that be? Nala, did you do this? Did you do this? Sugar all in the bed. I mean all. Like, you can't see it because it's white, but it is all in the bed, all over these clothes. And what she got into, looks like, was a 4-pound bag of sugar that she ripped, got all over the bed. And now she's just chilling while I get to clean this up after a long ass day at work.
So anyway, I'm just tired. Blake cleaned like all of it up, so thank goodness for him. But now we have like no sheets to sleep on, and we both work doubles tomorrow. So that's a whole lot of fun. Thanks, Nala, who's now sleeping peacefully. And even more so, I'm annoyed because Blake was so busy cleaning up Nala's mess that he didn't even notice I filled his stocking, which I was so excited about. And yeah, the reason why Nala does this stuff is because she has really bad separation anxiety. And we would crate her, but we don't have room for a crate right now. And she's been like this since like she was born. Basically, like when we used to leave the house, she would rip up our wood floors, and well, they were vinyl, so like she would tear the sticker off. And then one day, like, we were gone and we put her in the bathroom so she wouldn't rip up the vinyl floors, and instead she decided to turn on the water in the bathroom and flood the entire apartment. So it's just been an adventure with Nala. So if you guys know any tips to help a dog with their separation anxiety, let me know, because I don't know what to do with her anymore. The struggle is real. She looks innocent now, but when we leave, she turns into a crazy Tasmanian devil. Anyway, I'm gonna quickly read for you guys what my vitamins say, because I'm gonna take a shower and probably edit this vlog so that way I don't have to worry about it in the morning when I work a double. But it says, oh, it's just one of those that say, we're here to help. So call us or email us if you need us, which I love about this company, is they're always available. Anyway, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you're excited for tomorrow's video, and I hope you're having a wonderful start to your weekend, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye! Thank you.